my daughter's room. But I didn't know where to start, was feeling lost. I wanted to create a space which matches her vibe and sparks her imagination.
Yes.
Yes? Find your room boring?
Yes.
Let's do something about it.
Yes.
Should we do something about it?
Yes.
And then I came across this page on Instagram called myspaceofjoy. Firstly, I really loved the name. And then I saw this post which says, looking to spark creativity in your child's room? And I was like, yes. Oh my god, they have so many unique designs. What is this 3D wallpaper?
I love this.
And suddenly, all my problems were solved because I did know where to start. And Aisha, I actually have a surprise for you. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You're excited?
Yeah.
Okay, then close your eyes. Ting ting ting. Let's go to your room. I am so excited to show her our room now. This is so nice. Where is it going? I love you. Bye bye. You just have to order online and rest everything is taken care by them. It's nice. And what is this, Aisha?
Jellyfish?
No.
Octopus?
Yes.
Now?
Thank you, Space of Joy, for doing this for us.